If you know this fruit, please tell me the name. When I was in Nigeria, I didn't see it one day. I don't know this fruit, and I don't even know the name. Very sweet fruit. I don't know the name. Oh, there's nothing like nature. Nature is too beautiful. I've never seen this fruit before. Shh. You saw me, you closed yourself. How old is this cock? Very big. Ooh. Ooh. You see, all these birds lay egg every morning for my boss. Lay eggs for them. Ah, boy. Yeah. Quick one. I do say that people should never call the white people racist. White people are not racist. The black people are the racist people. Just use example of South Africa. Where can you see a thing like this? Black man telling a black man to leave his country. My brother, nobody should tell me white man is racist. Racism is in Africa. Racism is in Africa. Look at South Africa. Look at the way they are doing things. Look at the way they are chasing their black people, killing them. My brother, white people are not racist. I will still say it and I'll say it again. White people are not racist. Huh? So stop saying white people are. Wake up in the morning, love to live with nature. I love nature. And we can't cheat nature. As one good thing. Wow. Photo, video. Came to see the speaker.